Extrajudicial killings have become a pressing and controversial issue in the Philippines, raising concerns both locally and internationally. Hello everyone, my name is Ramla A. Sandigan and I'm here to discuss about the extrajudicial killings here in the Philippines. Extrajudicial killings. This phenomenon refers to the unlawful and deliberate killings carried out by the individuals or groups outside the bounds of the judicial system, often with alleged connection to law enforcement agencies or vigilant groups. The Philippines in recent years has experienced a significant surge in extrajudicial killings, leading to widespread debates about human rights, the rule of law, and social justice. The prominence of extrajudicial killings in the Philippines can be traced back to the government's intensified campaign against illegal drugs, which began in 2016. While the intention behind this campaign was to address the country's drug problem, it has sparked a series of grave concerns due to the methods employed and the resulting loss of lives. According to various reports from the human rights organizations, thousands of individuals, including suspected drug users and small-scale dealers, have been killed extrajudicially since the launch of this campaign. These killings have raised alarm not only because of their sheer number, but also due to the alleged lack of due process and accountability. Many victims are believed to have been targeted based on mere suspicion or as a result of a flawed intelligence gathering process, rather than through a fair and transparent legal process. This has led to accusations of abuse of power, police corruption, and the infringement of basic human rights. Critics argue that the prevalence of extrajudicial killings undermines the fundamental principle of justice and erodes public trust in law enforcement institutions. The alleged culture of impunity surrounding these killings poses a serious challenge to the rule of law and the protection of human rights in the Philippines. Furthermore, concerns have been raised regarding the potential of extrajudicial killings to create a climate of fear and intimidation within communities, stifling freedom of expression and impeding efforts to address the root causes of drug abuse. Extrajudicial killings in the Philippines refer to the targeted killings of individuals, often related to the government's anti-drug campaign. These killings occur outside the judicial process and involve the use of lethal force by state actors or individuals acting on their behalf. The issue of extrajudicial killings in the Philippines gained significant attention since President Rodrigo Duterte took office in June 2016. Duterte launched a nationwide anti-drug campaign known as Operation Double Barrel or Oplan Tokhang, which aimed to eradicate illegal drugs use and trafficking in the country. However, this campaign has been marred by numerous reports of extrajudicial killings. The extra number of extrajudicial killings in the Philippines is difficult to determine due to conflicting reports and challenges in gathering accurate data. However, various human rights organizations estimate. In conclusion, the prevalence of extrajudicial killings in the Philippines remains a contentious and complex issue. The situation has raised important questions regarding human rights, the rule of law, and the overall state of justice in the country. Addressing this problem requires a multifaceted approach that balances the need to combat illegal drugs with the protection of human rights and the promotion of a fair and transparent judicial system. Only through comprehensive efforts can the Philippines strive towards a society that upholds the principle of justice, equality, and respect for human dignity.